Alright guys, here's our Victorinox Swiss Army Knife. I think it's the Huntsman. Got all our tools out here, and this thing is filthy. I picked it up online at an auction, and I've just been kind of carrying it around a couple days just to try it out, because, you know, I really like it. But we need to get this thing cleaned up and back in service. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Get everything opened up. And we're going to get down in there and clean out all that grime. So for now, I'm just using invisible glass cleaner. And we're going to get in there and give this thing a good coat and let it soak. While that's soaking, I'm going to take the clip off. I wasn't sure how I was going to like this clip. It turns out I love having a clip on this. It just kind of fits right in the corner of my pocket. And it's always right there when I need it. And it just screws through the lanyard hole to mount. Like I said, this one, it's an aftermarket clip someone put on. I don't know what brand it is. But it's nice because when it slips down in your pants, the corner of your pocket goes to here, and then you press more, and it pops up and into this, and it kind of locks it in place. And it makes it really nice. It's sturdy and it doesn't move. I'll set that to the side. Let's get in there and clean this up. I am going to get a replacement toothpick, but we're going to still wipe it off until I get one in the mail. This one a little reshape. That'll work. I hit this with a little bit of Never Dull. Don't need a lot. Alright guys, for the scales we're just going to use a little bit of Meguiar's mirror glaze. It's a swirl remover. We'll give that a shot on this plastic. A little bit on our towel there. Trying to get some of these swirl marks off of this. Well, that's doing pretty nice. Get a dry towel here. Give it a buff. I'm pretty happy with that. It's not perfect, but it's much better than it was. Let's do the other side. Don't need much. Well, I'm pretty happy with that. Well, let's put the scales on it and get it back together. Which side is this one? The other side. All right, there you have it. All back together, looking good. I didn't sharpen the blade because it is really sharp. It's plenty sharp for now. I might hone it later on just to give it a freshen, but it's good to go. So, let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see this. I think I'd like to customize this knife. Maybe put some custom scale handles on it. Maybe change out the blade to something like a Spyderco blade. Let me know what you think if you want to see a build like that. And also, I have links down below for any of the products you see me use. They do help the channel grow, so greatly appreciate it. And thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.